We just checked into the Port Orleans French Quarter here at Disney World and got a 2-queen room in Building 2. Now, we were here 2 years ago, and since then they've remodeled this room. It's slightly different than what we had. Wanted to show you what's different here in 2018, give you an idea what to expect from the room. One of the big changes is there is now a bigger TV. It looks to be about 50-inch TV, which is really nice. And they have new bed frames, new paint on the wall, and some new furniture. So let's kind of give you a quick update. So coming in from the main door, you got the 2 beds on the left. You do have a nice little table here. There is a fridge in here. I'll show you that in a minute. But they've added a lot more plugs. So you got 2 plugs, 2 USBs on both sides. Last time I was here, plugs were an issue. I actually packed a power strip just in case we needed it this time. Then you've got 3 dresser drawers that are empty. A nice little refrigerator right here to put your stuff in. Last time we came with the kids, we turned this into like a little snack area. We had all our snacks up here, the drinks down there. It was really nice. Over between the beds, they did a really nice addition, having a plug with 2 USBs. This was the area I really struggled with when it came to power, and the reason I brought the power strip. So it's nice, you can charge your items here. They do have a phone here. At first I was like, man, can you not call anybody anymore? They hid the phone pad down underneath it. Standard, all the typical rules apply. With it, it also now has room service. I'll show you the 2018 pricing as of September. So a nice selection of different things. Adult beverages can be delivered to your room, along with appetizers, entrees. Not a huge menu, but very nice. Some desserts, non-alcoholic drinks, and that's it. That's the full room service menu. A little place to hang your coats or rain gear if you're here during that time. A little bench, which is nice. And then they remodeled the bathroom. Got some new tile in here, new countertop since we were last here, and a pretty basic bathroom, but it gets everything done. Now Disney's doing what a lot of hotels are doing. Instead of having the little, small bottles of shampoo and stuff, they now have these dispensers into the wall. So unfortunately you can't take them home, but it's still there, all available. Not a huge bathroom, but just big enough, does what it needs to do. And then you do have a makeup mirror. You can flip it over for the zoomed in or the standard one just by flipping it. It is lit, so you can turn that on. And they have a pretty standard sized wall safe. It's not huge. Could fit a small laptop, a couple tablets, that kind of stuff. Iron board, which is nice. Increasingly hotels you have to ask for them. It's nice it's just here. They do offer dry cleaning services if you need it. Give you an idea of the pricing on that. So that is a quick tour. There's also, I kind of breezed by, a little table here. I use it as a little desk when I'm here. It's just a nice little area. You can either eat at it, just have it. And let me get in the corner and show you the full room again. Beds are very nice. There is nothing underneath them now. It's a big open area so you can see what's there. And it's a very nice room. I like the new paint color. I like the new flooring in the bathroom and the countertops and the bigger TV. TV does have input on it, which is really nice. Some companies hotels are trying to block you from bringing a Roku, and you are able to hook up a Roku to this and access it through there to watch whatever you want. Of course, there's the cable and regular Disney Channel stuff that you see airing right here. So that's the quick tour. A nice upgrade, nothing dramatic, but it has the ability now to have more plugs, bigger TV, and everything you would expect from Disney.